Hi, welcome to the PhysEdZone. I'm going to share with you an alphabet exercise warm-up that I do with my 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. They come into the gym, I send them to their floor spot. Now, if you don't have a floor spot, just put them in the personal space, okay? I have them face the poster. Now, the way I made this poster is I just used a marker, wrote down all the exercises and letters, I got it laminated, and boom. On top, again, was a poster laminated, and I left it blank. But there's different ways you can do it. You can have it where you write down just the letters, leave everything else blank, and then you could plug in different exercises each time, okay? Sometimes I'll have a group discussion and students want to do different exercises, and I'll just grab a piece of paper with some tape, and I'll simply plug it in. So instead of doing squats, for V, you're then going to do 10 ski jumps. Anyway, this is how it works. Students are in their personal space. I'll say, okay, today's title is last name. Okay? So they spell out their last name. So Coach Gilardi starts with the letter G. If I was in my floor spot, I'd go to the letter G. 20-second plank. I'd walk back to my spot. I would do 20 seconds of planks. When I'm done, I come back. I then go to the next letter, which is E. 5 burpees, I go back to my floor spot, I do my burpees. So you're quickly coming here, looking to see what you're doing next, and then going back. It helps with kids spreading out, using the whole gym. Don't have them do it in front of the sign. Make them go back to their floor spot. Now, once they're done with all their letters, you could have them start again while they're waiting for the other groups to finish. And then once everyone's done, you can start with your lesson. Now, each time we do this type of warm-up, I'll switch it. So this was last name. I'll use my eraser. Maybe I'll put first name. Maybe I'll erase the whole thing and I'll put colors or favorite sport. So I'll mix it up each time. Sometimes I'll do it, if we're working on locomotor skills, I'll say, spell out locomotor and go, okay? When it comes to jump ropes, it's up to you. You can give them a jump rope on the side to have them do it, or they can just pretend to jump rope, okay? This is the alphabet exercise warm-up. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. Again, my name is Coach Gilardi. Thank you for visiting the zone, the PhysEdZone.